Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Toffee. Today I am going to show you how to download and install Python in Windows. For that what you have to do is you have to download Python installer by searching Python space download on Google and go to this URL python.org/downloads. Click on that and download the latest version of Python. Here I am downloading Python 3.7.2. So it will start downloading here. Once the download finish, just open the exe, run the exe, and it will start installing Python in your Windows environment. Now here you have choice. You can install downloads in the default location or you can specify a customized location. I'll use a default location, but before clicking any of these, just check this checkbox, add Python 3.72 path, and then click on install now. So it will start installing Python. Once the installation is successful, just click on close. And now to confirm that Python installed correctly, just press Window R, type cmd and press enter. So a command prompt window will open, type Python here and press enter. So it will show that which version of Python is installed. To exit that, just type exit, it's a function, and press enter. Thank you everyone.